Alright, so I just got my first package of diapers for baby number 4, and so we're going to open them. I have not opened them yet, but I ordered from the Memorial Day 20% off sale. So I got all of these for I think $125, and I ordered a bunch of the seconds, so I'm interested to see exactly what we got for the seconds. Okay. Ooh. Okay, here we go. These are the baby diapers. So first, I see. Oh, look how small it is. This was
All right, enough of that. That's nothing. Check out this Huion
13.86
inch. They can't see here. Back that up real quick. Let me see this. In fact, here, I'll take this. Okay, check this out. The drawing tablet of the future. The Huion. What?
Take
no,
it and run.
Come back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Okay. All right. Here you go. Hold this. Hold this back to where we were. Can you see the diaper? Look how small it is. All right. So this is one from the.
This is one from China right here. This is a brand new drawing tablet. It is the nicest thing you've ever seen. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right.
All right. So I ordered a bunch of seconds covers because they were like $11.95, but with 20% off, they were less than that, like $9.50 or something. So I don't know why it's seconds, so we will open it up and see if I can find why. Also, she's a girl, but I figured for $9.50 she could handle some boy covers. All right, so everything looks...
Y'all see my new phone? This is the V20.
Here.
LG V20. Look at that bad boy.
Why.
Oh, man. Okay,
right, so, okay, so here's the Kenzo, you put it on the diaper so people can see them? You're just wiggling it around. Okay, so here's the left side Velcro, and here is the right side Velcro. And you can see there's some stitching through here that I bet that's why it's a second. But, alright, so hold the camera back. Look how cute and tiny it is. And then let's see, where's the little toggle thingy?
I'm trying to actually get the diaper.
Okay,
You
good.
keep moving it.
How do I get into the...
Back up, Kens. Just back up. You can see more of Mommy if you back up.
You don't need to see me. All right, come and look right here. I'm trying to figure out how to... Oh, there's the hole. All right, come close so they can see where the hole is. See the little tiny... There's a tiny little hole here where we put the finger in to... There's the little toggle, and we squeeze it, and it comes bigger. Because my baby will never be as small as these full small, because she'll probably be like 9 pounds when she's born. But she can wear some adorable.
Are you gonna check the night?
Later gator. And this appears to be, I don't know whether it's an Omni or a Echo. I don't know. It doesn't matter. All right, so there's cover number 1, later gator. All right, number 2. Also from the seconds. Oh, it's kind of more of a crunchy on the outside than the other one.
Kind of cute.
It is cute. It's the aliens. Oh, and it's an Echo. So it's a little narrower. That means maybe I'll use it for her. Oh, and I bet you this is marked a second because of the stitching also, because the stitching is not very neat, but I mean it still looks completely functional and cute. And this side looks fine. Maybe that's why it's a second. I don't know. Let's see. Uh-oh, this side doesn't. I wonder if it's toggled all the way or if this is part of why it's a second also. Because look, it's tight on that side and not tight on this side. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to work on that one. And where's the opening? Oh, it's on this side. Oh, interesting. This has a different pull thingy than this one. This one just has a little hole in the top, and this one has a hole like 2 fingers wide. Let's see if this one will tighten up on this side. Okay, let's see. There's a little thing, and we will loosen it first, and then we'll loosen this side. Are you looking at where I'm working with the diaper?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now it is.
Gil, we gotta go watch the pigs.
It is stretched out. Let's see if this other one is broken. If that's why it's a second.
Go watch them.
Okay. All right. And I squeeze it. Oh wait, no, I don't need to squeeze it, right? I just, how do I? Oh, well that's unfortunate, I think. I don't know why that does that. Maybe it's supposed to do that. Yep. All right, so it appears that there's some sort of issue on this side with the elastic, making it a second. But that's okay, because I never need it to go that small anyway. So, anyway, there's that one. And, oh, okay. Put it back up. Oh, nice fresh. Yeah, look, see, it's a little bit lopsided. But it's very cute. Look, aliens. All right. Oh, look, we got 2 aliens. All right, let's see why this one's...
I wish if we could get the cupcake right now.
We'll get there. We'll get to the cupcake. All right. Stitching on this one.
It even has a little hole.
Yep. Stitching looks this one. This one looks even. I wonder why this is a second. Stitching on the front. Looks okay. Well. I don't know. Let's see. There's the... Okay, that one did fine. There. Oh. I don't see... Well, maybe this stitching here? Maybe. Oh well. Very cute aliens.
Alright, go wash out your bowl.
Okay, crossover. I like this. I like this Velcro. It seems like it's going to be sturdy.
No cupcakes.
I'm getting there. I was doing all the seconds first. Oh, a tiny blue Echo. Also seconds. Looking some of the stitching maybe. Yeah, maybe it's that. But, okay. This is, oh, is this an Echo also? Yep, Echo. Oh, it has another 2-finger gap. I like the 2-finger gap better than that first one, the later gator that had just the hole. This is nice. Okay. Let's loosen this guy up. Oh, where are you at? Toggle, toggle. Huh. Yeah, I wonder if they just had an issue with some of the stitching. Does that go through? Oh, it goes through. I wonder. Still, looks like it's going to be perfectly functional.
Mickey, no, you don't put it up. Mickey, leave it in the sink.
Okay.
Just put a dirty
Nice
chili.
blue. Oh, a little brown one. Okay. Oh, and this is an Omni Snap
It still
version.
stays in the sink after you
Which is
rinse it.
interesting
It's
since
not
I
washed.
That's what we
ordered.
already have.
Yeah, look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are Velcro, and I don't know how I feel about Snap. I'll have to make sure I ordered that because I don't think I ordered any Snap. But maybe they don't let you pick. I don't remember if I got to pick. Whoa. Oh, this is an Omni, so it has the giant stuffable hole. You can stuff it, insert it with stuff. But where's the toggle? Oh, the toggle is on the other end. And we can squeeze the toggle, make it big enough for a human being. I wonder if that's going to cause some wicking there on the edge. Because there's no gusset, but...
You're moving too much. The camera has to move because you're moving.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, look at that. I don't see, except for... Yeah. Oh, there's the reason. See? It's got some stitching through there that onto the outside. So that must be why it's a second. But still looks like that should not interfere with anything. Oh, they must have run out of brown thread. That's funny. All right, so that's a Snap Echo. I don't know how I like snaps, but we'll see. And for $9.50 for a new one, not bad. Okay. Baby diaper. All right. Now on to the little Miss Kitty. This should not be second. This I ordered from a sale, but it was on sale. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's got a tag.
A panda.
A panda tag. Pre-wash 2 to 4 times before use. Wash once on warm. And second on hot with no detergent. Interesting. And then it has, measures baby's thigh. Size elastic to correct length according to this chart. Legs should be snug but not tight. Make them tighter than they think they should be. If you see red marks, go a ½ inch bigger. Okay, cool. It's very cute. Has the 2-finger thing, and it's an omni, so it has the whole pouch around the back. You can stuff whatever into it. Cute. Cute, cute, cute.
I still see the diaper.
You still see the diaper?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you still see the
I see
diaper.
all of them, even the whole bag, even the ones out on the rocking chair.
All right, so this is Miss Kitty. I think that's what it's called. And this is Queen of Hearts, I think. Let's see. Yep. Uh-huh. Toggle, toggle. Pouch. Tag. Very cute. Oops, other side first. Doop, doop. So cute, so tiny, so soft. Okay, we got
Little rainbow.
Wild Thing, I think it was called.
And
You
it's rainbow.
want to call it Little Rainbow?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can call it Rainbow. And I got another Omni just because I like to stuff them bigger so it's wider through the middle.
And that's very tight.
Yeah, the legs are very tight, so we'll loosen those once she's born. But I do think maybe that would fit a newborn pretty well, even though my newborn's going to be 9 pounds.
I don't understand if
It's going. It's fine. It's just fine. Good girl. Okay. Now, cupcakes. Finally, the cupcakes. My very favorite print. I even spent a couple more dollars for this one just because it's cupcakes. I love that Velcro. It's soft but firm, it seems like. Ooh, this one seems very wide.
And it has another tag.
It has another tag.
That's a panda.
Cute blue button. Snap in for snaps. So there it is. Cute, cute cupcakes. Okay, cupcakes. And we'll put this one back up. All right, that's all the covers, I think. 9 covers.
But what about this one?
And these are what goes inside of them. Ooh, so soft.
I want to feel.
Here you go. Here. See?
Oh, yeah, they're
So
really
soft. These are the old style. They were on sale for like $7, I think.
Those are very big.
Yeah, they are very big. They're the old style bamboo inserts with the snap.
But
Some of them are seconds.
there.
There's the panda. Oh yeah, this must be a
Wearing
second.
baby diaper.
Because it's got a cross across it. I wonder why it's a second. Maybe because of this little mark. Maybe. Or the stitching on the end. I don't know, but it's so soft and squishy. Alright, so there's
Baby
one.
would love that.
Yeah, she'll love that. And 2. Old style. Long. Yep, seconds. And I don't see why it's a second. Maybe this corner stitching over here. I don't
I'm
know.
trying to get the whole thing.
Okay. Another. Ooh, that one seems extra long. Maybe it just feels extra long. Doesn't feel as heavy. Oh, it is longer by an inch, but it's not as thick. That's interesting.
Your diapers are falling down.
That's okay. Oh, watch the camera. Just watch the camera. The diapers are fine. Okay, there's another one. And then, let's see. This one, I don't know if they're marked seconds or if they're just... Yeah, oh look, that one's got some sort of mark on it. Doesn't feel quite as thick, I wonder. And the last one, these are gigantic, but hopefully with the Omnis they'll fit in nice. Oh, they're so soft and squishy. All right, I think that is everything. Oh, I got a little card. 5 pounds to potty training. I don't think that's true. Potty training, unless you have a tiny child, I think these might be too small, but we'll see. All right, well, there's all of the diapes. We have 9 covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 inserts for $125. So there's my fluff mail.
Now
Thank
say
you.
bye.
Bye.